What is eczema? Eczema can be a pores and skin affliction that may be experienced by 10 to 20% of the planet's population. The red, itchy, and flaky skin that appears on individuals with this issue is often the result of the pores and skin's inflammatory reaction to actual physical or environmental irritants. Anyone can get eczema, although these having a loved one's historical past should have a bigger predisposition of developing the disease. There is currently no remedy for this situation, even though you'll find treatment options that could aid to relieve the itchy signs. Typically, skin acts like a barrier to guard people towards illness and infection. This protection is compromised when oversensitivity to external irritants, known as triggers, cause a negative immune reaction, causing an eczema response. Eczema is a result of triggers to environmental and actual physical irritants. Patches of pores and skin get flaky, itchy, and purple. Often, these patches ooze liquid. Once the skin heals, it thickens and may radiate a leathery look at spots where the response takes place. This method is referred to as lichenification. Allergic reactions to fruit, meat, animal dander, dust, soaps, and viruses can bring about an episode of eczema. Environmental triggers, for example pressure, could cause also preclude a reaction. This skin condition can surface in infants, small children, and older people, on any component of your body. Infants manifest this problem on their foreheads, cheeks, forearms, legs, scalp, and neck. In kids and adults, the itchy pink patches can show up about the experience, neck, within the elbows, knees, and also the ankles. Eczema can appear in infancy and close concerning the ages of 5 to 15, nevertheless it may also be a life-extensive affliction, recurring on and off at intervals for the remainder of someone's lifestyle. Eczema comes in quite a few varieties, with regards to the character and type of the irritant. Atopic dermatitis, the commonest form, happens when an person features a hypersensitive response to an allergen causing a continual, itchy skin situation. A person struggling from atopic dermatitis is much more prone to develop foodstuff allergic reactions, hay fever, and asthma. Occupational eczema occurs when somebody has an allergic response to occupation-related environmental substances that triggers a response. One more type is nummular eczema. This type is characterized by cone-shaped splotches around the pores and skin. Nummular eczema is manufactured worse when individuals have unrestricted clothes that irritates the skin, and should be exacerbated by specific soaps and detergents used in laundry. There isn't any acknowledged cures for eczema, nevertheless the disease is often taken care of. Modifying lifestyles to attenuate any exposure to feasible triggers is the simplest treatment method. Frequently moisturizing pores and skin will help prevent an eczema response. Use lotions and creams right away following a tub. This assists moisturize pores and skin by trapping normal oils within the pores and skin's floor, serving as a self-hydrating agent. On top of that, sufferers of eczema need to steer clear of too much sweating and overheating. Avoiding environmental triggers, for instance adjustments in the humidity or temperature, can assist reduce the too much sweating that leads to ailment manifestation. When the patch of pores and skin is itching terribly, a chilly compress can assist reduce the inflammation and reduce the itchiness. Brief fingernails reduce the urge to scratch and split skin, endangering your body to other infections. Free-fitting garments really should be worn to avoid discomfort, which may lead to itching. New outfits ought to be washed in moderate soap in advance of sporting. Considering the fact that pressure also serves as a bring-about, an individual who suffers from eczema might be nicely encouraged to cut back worry. Individuals with intense flare-ups must request the help of the dermatologist. If the lifestyle modifications never supply any aid, health-related aid could be vital. Corticosteroids can minimize inflammation. Antibiotics can be employed when the pores and skin gets to be contaminated, as a result scratching. Antihistamines may be used to lessen the itch while in the night so an individual can slumber. Cyclosporine can be utilized in serious instances, although the unwanted side effects connected to it make it a final vacation resort. Visit the website. Click below.
I hope you enjoyed our review. If you would like to order this product or see further details, then simply head over to the website address you see on the screen right now.